Welcome. Today, we're diving into a new update on LinkedIn that makes managing your messages easier than ever. Specifically, we'll explore how to view your connections' focused messages on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top menu. You'll see several icons. Locate and click on the messaging icon. This icon typically resembles an envelope and is where all your messaging activities take place. Now that you're in the messaging section, you'll notice two tabs, Focused and Other. To view your connection's focused messages specifically, click on the Focused tab. This feature is designed to help you prioritize important conversations while keeping less relevant messages organized. Next, within the Focused tab, look for the option labeled My Connections. Clicking this will filter your messages further, displaying only those from your first-degree connections. This is particularly useful for ensuring that you don't miss important updates or communications from people you know. Remember, LinkedIn's focused inbox uses smart algorithms to sort messages based on their relevance to you. This means that recent and active conversations are more likely to appear in the Focused tab, while older or less relevant messages may be found in the Other tab. If you find that you're not seeing these tabs, it might be necessary to enable the Focused Inbox feature. To do this, go back to the messaging window and click on the More icon at the top right corner. From there, select Messaging Settings and toggle on the Focused Inbox option if it's not already activated. Once you've set everything up, you'll enjoy a streamlined experience when managing your LinkedIn messages. This update not only helps keep your inbox organized, but also ensures that you stay connected with those who matter most in your professional network. That's it for today's guide. Now you can easily view your connections' focused messages on LinkedIn using these simple steps. Happy networking!